Oh, we got some sage sticks, guys. You know I'm gonna end up getting some of that.
I picked them up from the mountains. So
Oh, nice.
I'm trying to get them myself. Yeah, they're amazing.
Perfect. So we're gonna walk through here, guys. Check everything out. There's some live music. Free paint for you to paint on the wall. We got reading. Then we got our henna friends here, guys, who invited us out here. Hey, y'all doing all right? Oh, that is nice. Yo.
The whole arm today. That's awesome.
Oh, that is really cool. Oh, it's great to see y'all too. And just to give you a view of what it's looking like, guys. And we got our favorite Mama G here. How you doing? And if you, yeah, we back. And if you remember Mama G, guys, she brings the fire edibles. Oh, that is really cool. So you see the mint rollers, Nutella rollers. That's cool.
We made to remember the other time.
Yeah.
Remember her? How are you?
You guys being a vlogger?
He is.
Throwing it out on YouTube, letting people see what's out really here.
What's your handle?
Jason Cheney.
What's it?
Jason Cheney. It's so funny. I have the whitest American last name. And here people like, who?
Are you American?
Yeah. Where is YouTube?
You had it in your
I don't forget these ones. Mama G.
Yeah.
Mama G.
Oh, we got hot chocolate, guys. Okay. Yeah, or take a picture.
Hey, no, I didn't bring my phone. I live in South Africa, guys. The robbers here at night.
She's lying, guys. She is lying. She is lying. Please hear me on this. She's lying, guys. She's being very, very over dramatic. No one is going to rob you here with your phone, guys. I have my phone right here. It's out open. I'm going to leave it right there for her. No one's going to touch it, guys.
Township, that's why.
Which one? Cheney.
Yeah, that's really
Yeah. See? Which township you from?
I'm from Tembisa.
I was just there Thursday.
Is it? I'm
Yeah.
from Tembisa. I stay near the hostel. So
Okay, guys. So in that area,
yeah.
you don't need to go there. You don't carry your phone in that area, okay? I'm being honest with you there. But we're here in Edenville. We're not over there. That hostel can't get here, guys, so it's safe. But make sure you check out Mama G's, guys. Some of the great edibles.
Some of the greatest edibles, trust me.
Perfect.
Once I tried it. And
You guys traveling together?
He's from here. Yeah.
he's
Tour
fine.
guide.
I think I'm more your tour guide, ain't I?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Putting him on.
Something like that.
Can I just go all over I go all over Josie.
Yeah. What made you come to South Africa to